Google is setting up the platform to focus on computing systems that can perform way faster than the existing machines. The company's announced its new quantum chip, which is claimed to solve complex math problems in around 5 minutes. The staggering part about this claim is that Google says a classical computer would take billions of years to solve the same problem. So the feat achieved by the company's in-house chip shows the power and scope of computing tasks in the future. Sundar Pichai, CEO of Google, shared the update via this post on X. Willow is basically developed at Google's state-of-art chip facility in Santa Barbara, US, ensuring the company has full control over its quality and performance. With its new quantum chip, Google is hopeful that high-end computers will be able to solve problems in fields like medicine, battery chemistry, and artificial intelligence that are a challenge for the present-day systems. The company reiterates the power of the new chip, which is capable of solving a computing problem in 5 minutes that would take a classical supercomputer 10 septillion, which is more time than the history of the universe. One of the biggest drawbacks of the quantum chips is related to the scope of errors or reporting in the systems. But Google claims it's found a way to string together the Willow's chip's qubits so that error rates go down, but at the same time, the number of qubits can go up. The company also says it can correct errors in real time, which is essential in making its quantum machines practical and functional for solving extremely complex matters. The success of Willow is also a sign that building very large quantum chips isn't impossible anymore, and more applications can be executed using the advanced tech systems.